And finally, after expansion is experience. And what we mean by experience is just how customers are using your product and what kind of experience are they having. And we all know this from the consumer space, where transparency ultimately drives a better experience. We all have mobile usage plans, and you can see products where like Verizon will tell you exactly what your data plan is, how much you've used, how many minutes you have, and how many messages you have, even if you have an unlimited plan, like in this image. So it really gives you peace of mind knowing as a customer that you are far away from hitting your limits, and really gives the company a sense of transparency. And Nest does the same thing. People like Nest because of that, the easy tracking of stats like temperature, average temperature, how much you're saving, how green you are, things like that. And so if consumers are expecting this type of transparency, you should be putting this into your product itself. And this is where the product usage data comes in, is you need to track this, and most companies are. So why not give that visibility to your customers so they feel more in control, and there's more of a level of trust with the company, so that they know like what's going on. And so sending out a usage report like this would be good. So in this case, this would be a Workato weekly usage report that includes the number of active recipes that you have in your workspace, how many tasks are being used, successful jobs, and connections. So you have a weekly snapshot that you can look at and understand what your usage is for the product itself. And just to add another example here, I also had experience with this where a product that I was working with charged based on usage. But what ended up happening is that customers were not really aware of their usage, and sales would reach out to them saying, hey, you've hit your limits, and the customer would be confused because they couldn't track what their limits were. They didn't know that they were getting close. And this led to a lot of back and forth with the customer, and ultimately a poor customer experience. And this was just not a great way to interact and drive upsell opportunities. So build transparency, visibility to improve the overall product experience.